Welcome to JSerra, Paradise on Earth. This is our crew, the seniors of the Line Report. This is where we live and learn. The kind of school where you either make it to senior year or you don't. The year they've been talking about since freshman orientation. The year that's supposed to mean everything. And honestly, it does. Because it's the last time it's this easy. The last time we're all in the same place. We've got the dreamers, the brainiacs, the athletes, and the artists. Two sides, one bridge. Our mission until the end of the school year is to have a good time all the time.
What's up? Who's Scout Day?
Welcome to the Line Report. Let's start off with some announcements.
JSerra will be hosting their spring blood drive. It will be held in the Center Room next Thursday, March 26th, from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You must be 16 years old to donate. Please make an appointment and contact Senor Austin for more information.
And come and join Campus Ministry for Tuesday Night Lights on March 31st from 6:30 to 8 p.m. in the Center Room and Chapel. We'll start the night with some food, community time, and then move into XLT with the adoration of the Blessed Sacrament with more plays and worship and music. It's a great way to come and spend time with the Lord. Hope to see you guys there.
That's it for the announcements. Hey JP, we're in spring baseball season, and to start us off, here is a player spotlight I produced about pitcher Luke Miller.
I love that guy. Let's check it out.
My name is Luke Miller. I'm a senior and a pitcher on the boys varsity baseball team. My favorite thing about playing baseball at JSerra is the friends I've made and all the music we listen to pregame. It's pretty chill. All the reggae, the walk-up songs, nothing beats it. The thing I'm looking forward to the most this year is probably our series versus SM. I think it'll be pretty hype. My favorite teammate is probably Otto. It's every game before, he just starts dancing and it gets the whole team hype. After high school, I don't know if I plan on playing baseball. If I don't, then I plan on going to a four-year school and getting a degree. I'm Luke Miller. Thank you for watching my player spotlight. It's a great day to be a Lion.
Thanks for that spotlight, Mason. Next up, we have our season premiere of the Lion Lounge Talk Show, produced by our host, Otto Graham.
And this episode features JSerra Baseball. Give it to me, Otto. Good morning, Lions. Welcome to this episode of the Lion Lounge. As everyone knows, we're heading into baseball season, so today we're going to be visiting with our head coach, Brett Kay, and our infield coach, Matt Orloff. Also joining us is center fielder Blake Bowen. Welcome, everyone. It's great to have you on the Lion Lounge. Coach Kay, let me ask you, what excites you most about this upcoming season?
I think the fact we get a chance to play. I mean, we've been playing, summer, fall, winter, playing against other opponents where games have meaning but don't have meaning, and now the regular season here. Obviously, we get to start it in Dallas, but our schedule is pretty extreme. We get to play in the best league in the country, but we feel really excited about our team that we have. Obviously, you and Blake included, obviously the coaching staff we have, and a lot of really good kids and really good players. So we're excited to change the narrative, get back to JSerra baseball and start doing things in an aggressive and great tone.
Mm-hmm. Coach Orloff, what primary goals does the coaching staff have for the team this season, including the infield, which is your coaching focus?
I mean, winning's always a goal in a league of this caliber. I think just trying to push guys to get better day in, day out at practice and games. The travel that we're going to have this year, playing in tournaments like the Boris. But infield-wise, I think just the consistency, trying to limit teams to 21 outs and not give them any extra opportunities.
Mm-hmm. Blake, what do you love about playing for JSerra?
I think the thing I love most about playing for JSerra is the grind of it. Every day we're going at it, trying to get better, and it's such a good league that we're in, and the schedule we play, it's the best league and schedule in the country. So just being able to have the opportunity to compete against the best, and then every day get better with a great coaching staff and great guys around me.
Mm-hmm. Coach K, what character traits do you hope players develop through their baseball careers here at JSerra?
Well, I think it all matters. Who you interact with, who you are, how are you parented? You know, I always say a great program starts at home. So how do you treat your friends? How do you treat your students, your teachers, faculty, staff? All that matters. Your girlfriend, all of it matters. You know, I think it's really important that our kids are a byproduct of what our school and hopefully what our program has to offer. You're all walking billboards of the community. You're walking billboards of JSerra, JSerra Baseball, and your family. So when you wear JSerra Baseball across your chest, there's a certain pride and responsibility that goes with that. So being of high character really matters to who we attract at JSerra and JSerra Baseball, like yourself and like Blake Bowen, two fine young gentlemen here.
Thank you, Coach. Really comes down to the type of person you are.
Yeah, it does.
Coach Orloff, how do you and the rest of the coaching staff help players handle adversity like slumps or tough losses, and what advice do you give to them?
The biggest thing for me is just that baseball is a team sport. So you might individually not be having a great performance at the moment, but there's still ways that you can help contribute to the overall team success. And I always try to tell guys, like, not carry your offense over to defense, because there's still a way you can impact the game in a positive manner.
And Blake, what team are you most forward to facing this year?
I'm looking forward to pretty much all the games, but I think the biggest series I'm looking forward to is Orange Lutheran, because they've kind of stacked their team with guys from all over to get them over to do online school and kind of all this transfer stuff. So I think just showing them that what we do at JSerra and going to school and showing that school matters, and then kind of this homegrown team, and just they're supposed to be a good team. So looking forward to beating them.
For sure. And finally, Coach K, how can students and fans best support the program this year?
Be present. You only go to high school once, and you know, as I always say to kids, don't come to JSerra just for sports. Come here and experience everything, and go to other sports, go to football games, basketball games, be a part of different clubs, be a part of different courses and classes. But come support baseball. We love when student athletes or students come out and support us, because it's cool to look in the stands and see your buddies and your friends and whatnot that are out there and trying to compete to play at the highest level against really good opponents. It's cool to do that with your friends, not only on the field, but off the field.
That's right, we better see the Lions at the games this year. That's about wraps it up for today. I want to thank my guests, Coach K, Coach Orloff, and Blake, for joining me on this episode of The Lion Lounge. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of The Lion Lounge. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for that, Otto. And good luck, boys, on your season.
Well, Lions, that's all we have for you today. Happy birthday, Cole Carlson.
Thanks for watching. Have a fun Who Scout Day. Goodbye.